Guys, have you ever wondered how can people make so much money with meme coins while all of you are left holding the bags and losing all your money in the space, guys? Today, I'm gonna show you how these people can do it, so you can do it too, guys. It's all gonna be for free. I'm not here to sell you a Telegram group. I'm not here to sell you a rock bot or any of these things, guys. I'm here to give you a straight method. So let me get straight to it. Basically, guys, today I'm gonna show you how can these people launch a meme coin on Radium. Radium is like a decentralized exchange where the biggest meme coins on the Solana blockchain are getting traded on. I'm going to show you how they launched their meme coins on Radium and how they just removed the liquidity pool. They rogged the coin basically for profit. It's all for educational purposes only to show you how can these people do it. So let's get straight to it, guys. So first, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to go on Fun. It's a platform I have been using to make my own coins on. A lot of people have made their coins on too. It's really good, it's reliable, it's easy to use. You just click on a couple of buttons and your coin gets launched. I'm just going to show you around the website. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it, an FAQ if you have any questions. But yeah, let me get straight to it. The first step is going to be actually connecting your wallet to the platform. If it's your first time using the platform, guys, it's going to show you a window on the top of the right. You're just going to click on connect and that's it. Your wallet is going to get connected to the platform. So guys, the first step, what is the first step? The first step is actually going to be finding a viral coin to launch. Most of these people do, they go on Twitter, they see the news, they check the news, and they just make a coin based on what's trending right now. What some other people are doing, not the majority, it's a minority of people that are doing, they go on Pump.Fun, they see what's trending, and they just copy and paste the coin, guys. It's as easy as this. So let me show you how they do it. They go on Pump.Fun here, they see what's trending, they browse on the trending coins. Let's take this coin, for example, House Coin. What they do, they save the image, they copy and paste the name and the symbol, they go back on Mintrosh, they click on the create button here. So that's basically where you're going to be able to pick your token name, symbol, decimals, the total supply you're going to mint for your token. You're going to be able to revoke mint and freeze authority for free. I'm going to come back to this, but it's a really, really good option here. That's why I've been using this website, to be honest, because the revoke mint and freeze authority is free, guys. You can upload an image. That's your token image. I'm going to do it right now. All right, the image has been uploaded. Next, what we're going to do, we're just going to copy and paste the token name and symbol. Let me go back here. I'm in Trush. For the symbol, we're just gonna copy and paste this symbol here. House. All right. For the decimals, guys, make sure it's always set at 9, or else it's not really gonna work. For the amount to mint, we're gonna mint 1 billion tokens. So it's basically 1 and 9 zeros. So make sure you revoke mint and freeze authority. Why? Because it's gonna make your coin more trustworthy. People are actually gonna trust your coin more. They're gonna be able to see that your coin has both these authorities revoked, which is going to attract a lot more buyers and which is going to make you more money, guys. Then what we're going to do, we're just going to copy and paste the description here. Let me just do it quickly. Then you're going to check if everything is in check. Everything is in check. Then you click on the create token button. All right, guys, no worries. This is standard procedure. I'm going to show you the entire coin creation process throughout the video without any cuts. There's not going to be any cuts, guys. I'm going to show you the entire process. I'm going to show you the transaction details too, so you see that everything is legit. You can just click on proceed. All right, so I'm just going to show you the transaction details. So you're basically creating a new account. You're minting your tokens to this account here. You're minting 1 billion tokens. You're setting new authority. So you're basically revoking mint and freeze authority. And you are transferring the small fee to the platform. You can just confirm. And boom, just like this, guys, your coin has been successfully created. Sometimes in times of network congestion, when there's a lot of volume on the Solana blockchain, your coin might not get created right away. No worries. It happened to me a couple of times. You just need to retry again. You need to try again and recreate your coin. You're not going to get charged anything if your coin has not been created. No worries, you get charged only if your coin has been successfully created and it's showing on a soul scan and it's showing in your wallet. So like I said, if it happens to you guys, no worries, you just try again and that's it, should be good. But let's see if our coin has been actually created. I'm just gonna go on soul scan here. Let's go. Boom, guys, look, minted 36 seconds ago. We revoked mint and freeze authority here, decimals, 9 decimals, a billion tokens here. It's showing on Photon, on Dig Screener, Bird Eye, Bubble Maps. It's showing everywhere, guys. But yeah, our token has actually been created. Let me just check in our wallet. We got, we got charged, and here it is, House Coin. We swapped 0.2 Sol for a billion House Coin. All right, guys. So now, what's the next step, guys? The next step is actually going to be launching the liquidity pool on Radium. So to do this, you just go on radium.io. The link's going to be in the description. You click on liquidity. You click on create standard AMM. Make sure it's standard AMM. Then you click on continue. And here we are. We're going to be able to create a liquidity pool basically. So what you're going to do, guys, you're going to swap your tokens, the tokens you just created. To do so, you're just going to copy and paste the token address. It can be from SoulScan. It can be from Mintrush too. You can just copy and leave. We're going to go back on Radium. Boom. For the symbol, make sure it's the same symbol as listed here. So you just copy and paste it. My bad. House. Boom. All right. You click on add user token, and here it is, guys. That's our tokens. Oh yeah, of course. Make sure you connect your wallet first. I forgot to connect my wallet, my bad. Yep, here it is. We have a billion tokens in our wallet. My bad. So yeah, I saw the zero. I was like, what is going on? But yeah, we got a billion tokens in our wallet. Just make sure you connect your wallet before doing anything. It's my bad. I forgot to connect my wallet. Then what we're gonna do, we're just gonna swap them for Sol. So what I would advise you to do is to swap 900 million of your tokens. And today I'm going to show you that you can actually make money with only 1 Sol. So we already spent 0.2 Sol for the coin creation. We're going to spend a 0.8 Sol on the liquidity pool. And guys, you're not even spending this money because you can always remove the liquidity pool and get your money back, guys. But keep in mind there's a 0.2 Sol creation fee when you create the liquidity pool. But no worries, it goes directly to the liquidity pool, guys. You're not losing any of this money that you're putting in liquidity pool today, guys. But yeah, I'm going to show you, you know what, I'm going to do it with 0.4 Sol, under 0.5 Sol. For the fees here, just put 2%. Make sure everything is in check. Yep. So we're just going to initialize liquidity pool now. Look, we're getting 18,000 LP tokens, liquidity pool tokens. So that's basically the tokens that are going to give you control over the liquidity pool. And we're swapping them for 0.6 Sol, guys. All right, you can just click on confirm. All right, now that your coin has been created, guys, you can just copy and paste the AMM ID here. You can take a picture of it if you want. You got it. So now our coin is actually live. What you can do, you can go on Photon or Dig Screener. I'm going to go on Dig Screener. It's easier to use to show you our coin. So what you're going to do when you're on Dig Screener, you're just going to click on a random Sol coin here. And you're going to copy and paste your token address. So let me just, yep. The token address. We're just gonna copy and paste it here. All right, it's already live. A couple of buys and sales from bots. So that's our token, guys. Created a minute ago. 0.4 Sol in the liquidity pool. Yep. It looks like it's our coin, guys. So now the next step is gonna be actually waiting for buys to come in. It's as simple as this. You're just gonna wait for more buys to come in, and yeah, I'm gonna show you the entire thing. All right, guys. Damn, a big buy already. Someone just bought zero point 0.5 SOL worth of our token, guys. 21 seconds ago, which is completely crazy, guys. So as I said, people are gonna start buying into your coin. You just gotta wait a little bit, 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna show you the final step of the method, guys. But yeah, let me just wait for more buys to come in. All right, guys. Wow, another zero point 0.7 SOL buy came in. That's crazy, guys. We created the coin 3 minutes ago. That's absolutely crazy, guys. Yeah, bots, people have been buying into our coin. The liquidity pool is getting larger now. I'm just gonna wait for a couple of more buys and sales to come in, and I'm gonna show you, like I said, the final thing to do, guys. All right, guys. Wow, another. I mean, it's not a big buy, but it's a zero point 0.2 buy a minute ago. I think it's time for this video to show you the final step of the method. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go back on Medium.io. You're gonna click on portfolio here, and basically after 5 to 10 minutes, no worries if it doesn't show up immediately, guys. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes to show up. Your liquidity pool is gonna show up in your portfolio. That's basically the liquidity pool. What you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna click on standard. You're gonna click on the minus button here. You're gonna click on 100%, and look, guys, this is the money we would receive if you were to remove the liquidity pool right now. Keep in mind, we only put in 0.4 SOL, which is absolutely crazy. That's like a 3 or 4x return. That's a 4x return, guys, in how much? In 6 minutes. So imagine if you put 1 SOL, 2 SOL, you can just build your way to 2, 3, 10, 20, 100 SOL like this, guys, by doing this every day. So it's absolutely crazy. Let me just show you the transaction. So if you click on remove liquidity, look, you're getting the SOL into your wallet, you're swapping them for the LP tokens, and you're getting the remaining tokens in your wallet, guys, which is absolutely crazy.